Welcome to 8 Ball Pool. Ready to share the fun? Let's dive into sending coins to your friends. First, open the app and log in. Make sure your friends are on your friends list. Tap on the friends icon, located at the bottom of your screen to view your list. Select the friend you want to send coins to and click on their profile. Look for the Send Coins option and tap it. Choose how many coins to share. Confirm your choice. Your friend will receive a notification. Enjoy the game together. Always ensure you have enough coins before sending. A smooth experience is key. Set reminders for friends' birthdays or gaming milestones to send coins as gifts. Try to connect with friends regularly. The more you engage, the more fun you'll have. Lastly, enjoy the game. Sharing coins makes it even better. And that's it. Now you can send coins to friends easily in 8 Ball Pool. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more tips.